Let's talk about trade-based money laundering, also known as TBML. Welcome back to this week's How Criminals Launder Money. Trade-based money laundering is one of the most commonly used and challenging methods to detect. In its simplest definition, trade-based money laundering is the process of disguising the proceedings of crime and moving money using trade transactions to legitimize the illicit origins. Typical forms of TBML include over and under invoicing goods and services, invoicing these multiple times, over and under shipping, and falsely describing goods and services. Trade transactions are complicated to monitor due to their complex nature and volume. Often, banks do not have access to the documents that underlie the trade, which might indicate whether something illegal has been done. For example, in open account trade, the transaction is completed between a buyer and a seller. In these instances, the bank's only responsibility is to initiate the transaction on behalf of their clients, and these are often done through automatic payment systems. Prevention methods do exist though. For example, the retrospective review of data on the export and import. The use of blockchain technology to increase the visibility and the integrity of the trade, which can be used by both the regulators and market participants, and the automation of document review processes. In such a scenario, a bank is often blind to the purpose and the documents underlying the transaction. However, there are still ways to detect it, such as significant differences in the bill of lading, differences between the invoice and apparent fair market value of the goods being transported, differences between the shipment and the importer's or exporter's stated business purpose. New technology gives criminals an advantage, but with perseverance and time, authorities will become more capable to uncover these new methods. This is one of the many ways to launder money, but there's still more to cover. Make sure to follow us to stay updated on our next episode. See you then.